Okay, guys, this is very cool. This is going to be my GPT Creator Club review, and I've got a special bonus for you, and you're going to love this product. This is by John Thornhill and Randy Smith, and it's funny because Randy actually is he created an Aweber tutorial that I bought years ago, and I've sold it so many times because I bought the white label right to it. So this guy makes great products. Okay, what is it? So GPT. So first, what is GPT? It's generative. What is it? Something repetitive transformer, whatever it is. Anyways, basically, it knows how to take text that you give it and write it out. Right. This is what OpenAI is. This is basically the genesis of AI that we can use. Now, what people do is they make GPTs, and that GPT will be on a certain subject, and it will have all the information. So instead of going on this broad, using just OpenAI ChatGPT, you're able to actually use a GPT that is built for a specific purpose, right? So these things are actually on the GPT store, and what's cool, GPT store will pay you based on usage. So when people use your chat GPTs, you can get paid on it, or you can actually sell it like some people do on Fiverr. And look at, you can get, I will create a custom chatbot for $750, $600, $500, $500. Like, you can make money selling these things. So what is the Chat GPT Creator Club? Basically, you're going to get the tools to be able to build your own custom chat GPTs and sell them, put them on the GPT store, or just use them for your own personal use. So it's very, very, very cool. And let me show you one of them. This is really cool. Magic Story Builder. Craft custom kids stories by age, theme, and word count, plus image prompts. Very, very cool. So you could actually write out books for KDP Publishing. So this is why this is a no-brainer. So what do you get with the Creator Club? Let me scroll down and show you. There it is. There's John and Randy. So basically what they're going to give you is you have the custom GPT with white label rights. That means you get to sell it as yours. You get sales page copy for selling it. You get professionally written, ready to send email sequence. You get social media creatives for each GPT, full training for each GPT, user guide template, ongoing support. Now here's their bonuses. 3 extra JPTs, fully branded and ready to use. It's a $111 value. You've got a one-on-one strategy call with Randy, which is $300 value. Your GPT ideas built by them. So you have an idea, they're going to build the prompts to build it, and that's kind of priceless. So say someone hires you, pays you $500 to build something. You go, hey, Randy, I've got this idea for something, and they're going to give you the tools on how to build it. Well, building it is built really just the prompts on building it, because it builds itself. And the love it or leave it guarantee, you get a 14-day guarantee. So what are the choices to get it? There's 2 options. You can get the basic. Where is it here? So you can get the $37 a month, which you're basically it's the most affordable option, but you're gonna have to pay for it monthly, or you buy the whole thing outright. Permanent VIP access, $297. This is a no-brainer, guys. You want to be grabbing the $297. Now, one caveat is you do need a ChatGPT Plus subscription, which is $20 a month, and everyone that's online marketing should have one. I have one. I have my own. I use ChatGPT on a daily basis, probably 10 to 15 times a day. My wife uses it. She's an advocate for, she's a coach, but she's also an advocate for the education system here in Surrey, where we live. And we use it constantly to help us rewrite our ideas, make them punchier, make them more hooks, bring in an angle. We tell it to act like this kind of professional and do this. So we're using it all the time. And I use lots of different people's chat GPTs and everything. So basically, that's the Chat GPT store. Each one of these gives a prompt. This is my Chat GPT. So this is just a quote one. So say you wanted to do quote-driven emails. Well, you could use normal Chat GPT, or you could use one that is specifically for that, and it will write the emails for you. So very, very cool stuff. So it's a super easy way to make money. You get the VIP access. Now for my bonus for the GPT Creator Club, I'm going to give you full access to my school. This is my affiliate profit pages school. You will get lifetime access. You will be able to get in touch with me, and I will show you exactly how I am in here using ChatGPT. And I'm going to be putting another course in here all about doing review videos and using ChatGPT for prompts and writing captions and writing outlines for the review video. Pretty cool. So that is what it is. It's a very cool system. GPT Creator Club, 100% white label rights. You can't go wrong with it. Go in, watch the video, check it out, see if it's for you. But if you want to jump on the AI bandwagon because everyone is on there, then you want to have some chops up your sleeve that you can use over and over and over. And once you've built a couple of these using their prompts, you're going to understand how to do your own prompts and be able to do it for yourself. So that's it, guys. You get white label rights, sales copy, emails, social media content, video training, user guides, ongoing support. Everything is in there for what you need. So it's basically, it's kind of like everything you need. And you get access to me on a daily. Well, you get access to Randy. You get access to me through my school. So if you're having any issues or like, hey, I'm trying to flush out a new ChatGPT, Glen, we could talk about it in there because, like I said, I use it on a daily basis. So that is it, guys. Go grab it. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Definitely want to get your hands on this one. I know it's a bit of a push, that $297, but really, you could easily make your sale, your money back in one sale. Just go over to Fiverr, put up your gig, do it really inexpensive, do 2 gigs, build them their own chat GPT, and you could make great money on it. So that's it. So limited time only. This is, I don't know how long they're going to keep this going for it. You get permanent access. There's no monthly membership fees, just custom GPTs. Oh, and in there, let me show you. The monthly GPTs, so you're already getting a quote email pro, like these are already in there for you. Like they're already in here for you to use and go make your own versions of them. It's pretty cool, and they're already there. They're done for you. So there you go. That's what it is. Go over and grab the GPT Creator Club. This has been my GPT Creator Club review and bonuses, and definitely hope you grab it, and I hope I'll see you in my school. Oh, to get access to my school, all you need to do is contact me here on YouTube, or the best way to do it is just message me on YouTube, and we can go over on Instagram, Work with Glen Murray, send me a message, say I just picked up this from you, and just send me the receipt, and I will get you into the school. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one. Hurry up. I don't know how long this is going to last.